Hey everyone, it's me again. My name is Shai and I am blessed with the opportunity to be with the one and only, the great-minded TikToker and all that, Mr. Charlie Puth.
Hello.
You're so crazy on TikTok. We love it. But is it safe to say that that is your favorite app right now?
My favorite app right now is this SpongeBob game that I just downloaded. I'm trying to get to the next level and figuring out how to make SpongeBob into the anvil to blast into the next bottom level.
I haven't downloaded that one yet, but you know what? Because you said so, I probably would, and also try to beat your level. We'll see about that.
Great new game.
SpongeBob, whatever, whatchamacallit.
Just SpongeBob game.
There
That's
we go.
all I typed in to find it.
Okay,
I feel like that's my favorite app. Also the like food ordering app.
Oh, the one where you have to put together the order.
Yeah, and then somebody random delivers it to you and leaves it at your doorstep and you don't have to interact with people.
Oh, you mean the food delivery app that delivers to you? I thought it's something like you have to make the game. It's not a game.
Oh, definitely not a game.
Oh, okay, I gotcha.
This is no funny business when delivering food.
Exactly. I actually really support you in that because you're not supposed to mess with people's lives. But yeah.
Yes, absolutely, and they better not mess with mine.
I was actually curious, which comes first, the TikTok idea or the songs?
The song is conceptualized in my mind, and then once I can repeat it over and over in my mind and feel comfortable with it, then I take the TikTok.
Then you make the TikToks.
Yeah.
Have you seen the many videos that people make about, hey, what if I do this? And then they pretend to do something. Have you seen those videos?
I'm familiar with the couple.
Sort of mocking, but then again, no, you guys are entertaining. And yeah, it's a signature Charlie thing, I think.
I think it may be. If that is, I always looked up to music teachers who made things entertaining in class because I feel like music education can be synonymous with being boring, and I always wanted to be the cool music teacher.
Well, it's been 4 years, right, since your last album.
Yeah.
Why the long wait? Whoa, what was that? But yeah, why the long wait?
There's a D,
and also,
D natural.
why the self-titled album instead now?
It felt right to call the album Charlie because all of these songs are basically a reflection of my personality. If these songs looked into the mirror, they would just see this person wearing this sweater back. It feels very appropriate to name it after myself for that reason.
That's good. You were supposed to name it another
Like
title.
conversations with myself, because I did have to have a bunch of conversations with myself in order to come up with these songs, but I ended up just naming it after myself.
Just Charlie and Charlie. But what is the takeaway you'd like people to have from your album?
I want people to be inspired enough to create their own album, and I don't want them to look at me like I'm like this unapproachable person or anything. I want to be a very approachable person when they listen to this album.
Yesterday during the press con downstairs, which was so fun, by the way, you were just a blast.
Thank you. I'm glad I had fun.
But yeah, you mentioned about Jungkook with Left and Right. So we were wondering, like, why did you choose him specifically for the collab?
I liked his tone of voice, and I'm always looking for voices that I know are going to blend well with my voice if it's my record. And it just became a wonderful collaboration, kind of like a musical tennis match, if you will.
And were you guys, like, how did you be able to make that happen, being, other in two different sides of the world?
Good. There's luckily there's file sharing, and you can internet, and he can record his parts in South Korea and just send it over. And he had to be there in person to film the music video, but I'm really happy that worked out.
I could just imagine how difficult it is for you to be a producer in general. Like you're so nitpicky about a lot of things. I'd imagine, at least.
I am.
There you go. But you still really made it work, like even if it was through the internet.
Yeah, well, I mean, he made it easy for me. He just sent over a perfect vocal, and all I had to do was not touch the performance of it because he mastered that so nicely, but just drag and drop it in and make it sound a certain way.
Here's another question with regards to Left and Right. Why did you actually choose to make it a collab instead of a solo hit?
It just felt nice to have another person's perspective on there from a very singable topic.
Singable. I love that.
Singable topic, yeah.
All right. Well, again, people are in love with the song, in love with you, in love with Jungkook, of course.
Yeah, we love Jungkook.
We love him. We love you both, actually. But we heard that you are now a vocal coach or something with The Voice. Is that right?
Yeah, Camila Cabello last minute asked me to be part of her team just for a couple of episodes.
What was the term? A battle advisor.
Battle advisor.
There we go. I kept forgetting.
I
that
also
term.
forgot it.
Yeah,
so.
there we go. So my question is, if you were to become a contestant in The Voice, who would you choose to be your mentor?
Maybe someone who has a much better voice than me, like Celine Dion, perhaps.
Wait, was Celine in The Voice? No, I don't think she was in The Voice though.
Celine Dion?
Was she?
Was she?
Yeah,
I'm picking her again.
Yeah, you're gonna pick her anyway, so I could understand.
Yeah,
why.
that's locked and final. And every NBC executive watching this, you better make it happen.
Make it happen, and if Charlie gets to join The Voice, he's definitely going to be choosing Celine Dion.
Yep, you better believe it.
But how is it like actually being here in Singapore right now and meeting all your fans?
It's wonderful to finally kickstart my time back in Asia, starting it off with Singapore, and it just makes me excited to come back here and do all shows. And
Yes.
It sounds like you'd be at a show.
I would really, really enjoy your show, and especially hope to hopefully see you back in the Philippines. So I guess that is all for now, Charlie. Thanks again for the time.
Thank you.
And we will see you again very, very soon.
Thank you. Thanks for all the support.
Yep.